What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I did a chit chat get ready with me because I was I don't know, I didn't really want to do like a full-blown tutorial, but I did end up doing a full-blown tutorial. But yeah, this is the look. I used the NORVINA palette. Here she is in all its glory, except for she's already dirty. I love this palette, guys. If you don't have it, I will put a link down below where you can get it. I love this. Guys, I also wanted to mention to you guys that I got the Morphe 35O palette. It's already dirty as heck. My boyfriend got it for me for our anniversary. So here she is. She's so pretty. Got this for me as well. This is the Stila glitter. What is this? Glitter and glow thingamajigger in Queen, and it's so stunning. And then, yeah, he got me the NORVINA palette. So I wanted to try these things out. I didn't use my Morphe palette, but if you guys do want a tutorial, just let me know, which I probably will either way because I plan on it. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Also, peep the shirt. This is dope. This is my friend. His name is Josh. He writes a lot of good music. He is a rapper. His Spotify, I'll link them down below. He just came out with his new album, which is Ant 96. This is a dope shirt. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. I'm a little bit more myself in this video. I feel like the last video I was like very uppity, and I'm not really normally that uppity and loud and excited. But yeah, here I am getting used to the camera. So anyways, I also did order a new backdrop. I ordered a lavender backdrop. Super stoked about it. So that should be in the mail soon. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So I definitely want to use the NORVINA palette. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lids first with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I already did my brows. If you guys want a separate brow routine, just let me know. So I'm really excited to see how this performs. I've used it like once or twice, just for the sake of like I only used like this shade and this shade, and I swatched all of them, but I really want to see how well it works because I do have the Modern Renaissance palette and I have the Subculture palette. My friend got the Subculture palette, absolutely loved it, but she got one of the first batches, which I'm pretty sure the whole thing was like, if you had like got one from the later batches, they weren't as good or whatever. So yeah, so my Subculture sucks, but I'm gonna go into base right here for my base, and I can't, it looks like this is basically a matte, but it's got, yeah, it's definitely got like a slight, like ever so slight sheen to it. Glen Hill one. In my last video I talked about how she did two shades that are like so identical. Like neither one of them are a matte. They're just both like these shimmer, not even shimmer, they've got a sheen to them, and I just think that they look so similar. I'm like, why didn't you put one matte in and one shimmer or whatever? I think I want to go into Love right here. So like I said, I want to keep it kind of light, but I just want to play around with it, see if I like it. Okay, that's pretty, and it's blending out really nicely. I really like that shade, or I'm liking this. I think I'm just gonna use a little bit more of Love and maybe mix it with a little bit of Passion. I really like those two colors mixed together. I think that this is kind of washing me out. I'm gonna turn the light down a little bit. So I'm just gonna keep going into those two until I get my desired, well, yeah, that's pretty much my desired look that I want. I don't want it much darker than that. I kind of just like that. I'm starting to get used to being around the camera. I'm still a little weird, but no, I love this, and I have been wanting to do YouTube since basically when I started watching it, which was 4th grade, I believe. I watched Michelle Phan and I Heart Makeup 92, which I don't watch either of them anymore, but Michelle Phan really took YouTube to a different level, I feel. But anyways, I used to watch them all the time. My parents never let me do YouTube videos when I was that young, but when I got into... Sorry, I thought someone was knocking on the door. I do live in an apartment building, so if you ever hear stuff, it's because there's people walking all around. But anyways, yeah, so I wanted to do it for a long time. When I got into 6th grade, my parents finally let me make my own YouTube, and I filmed like a few videos and like compilations of my makeup looks, whatever. And then I got older and had a crush and got embarrassed about my YouTube, so I deleted most of the videos, well, all the videos, and then I later just uploaded random videos with my friends, and they're hilarious and embarrassing, and well, they're really not that hilarious, they're just kind of annoying and weird, but they're good memories. I don't want to delete them. But yeah, and then I've done like some, like last year or whatever, and then I just was like, you know what, I'm gonna do this. You know, my thought process was, well, everybody's on YouTube, and there's so many people that edit their videos so well, and they have good quality cameras and good audio, whatever, and they've got good backgrounds, because obviously this isn't cute, which, by the way, I got a backdrop. Yes, I got a backdrop. It's in the mail. But anyways, I was just like, why would somebody want to watch me? Like, I'm literally filming on my iPhone SE, my old iPhone, and I have a ring light, which is nice. I got that for my birthday, but that's what I'm filming on, and yeah, I will grow, I will get there. But anyways, I was just like, nobody wants to watch somebody that doesn't have good quality videos and is just awkward on the camera, but I'm doing it for me. I want to do this. I love doing this. I normally talk to myself anyways all the time while I'm doing my makeup, like people are watching me, but so I might still make videos, right? I'm gonna spray this pencil brush because I cannot find a flat shader brush. It's the MAC Fix Plus. I'm gonna go into Wild Child. I freaking love this shade. Like, check this color out. You've probably seen it already, but it's pretty. So I'm gonna take this on the lid. So yeah, I started doing it. I did videos last year and the lighting was so bad, guys. But I did it because I love doing it. And also my eyebrows. Oh my gosh, my eyebrows were blocks back then too. So a lot has changed in the last year. I moved. I got a dog. I got better eyebrows. Yeah, so I'm really excited to like actually start this journey and really continue doing videos. I'm gonna go into I'm gonna go into Celestial here, which is also stunning. So I freaking love this palette. I mean, I only used Wild Child, Celestial, and Passion and Love, but before I did use Electric, I have used Summer and Dreamer, and I'm gonna use Dreamer today to highlight. You went outside? Anyways, this palette is stunning. Okay, I'm gonna use the Stila Glitter and Glow in Queen. My boyfriend just got this for me for our 2-year anniversary. And I'm literally in love. So I'm gonna put it just first on the outside so we don't take away from the front. Right from the get-go. Okay, no, I do want it all over my eye. So that's what it looks like. I don't know if it's that cute, but no, I like it. I like it. I use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Cream because I have dry skin. To be honest, I love makeup, but I don't wear makeup on a daily basis, first of all. And I definitely, even when I do wear makeup, don't wear eyeshadow. Like, I don't know. I think less is more, to be honest. Like, face makeup is too much to me. I'm probably not going to use that much tonight either. But I'm just doing it for the vids, okay? I do like face makeup. I just think that skin looks a lot better without it, just because when you've got dry skin and it just looks caked on your face, that is not a cute look. Not a fan. Okay, so I have my damp beauty sponge. And I'm going to show you guys what I do when I don't use foundation. So I use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in medium, which I've been buying this for like a year, and I think I'm officially done with it. I want to try the Catrice one that Tati's so obsessed with. It's like $6. And the Fit Me one, like, it's just as good. I'm done paying $24 every few months for this concealer, which I'll probably end up still buying it because I do love this concealer. I say that now, and then I'm gonna buy it later. But it's just a lot of money. And then I mix it with the number 5. This is like my winter color. Like, I accidentally got this shade, but I have to mix the two because I'm really not a solid color right now because I'm like, summer's almost over, but I'm still a little bit tan. I don't know. In the winter, I tan in the tanning bed like a lot, and my mom's like, stop it, but I can't. I literally can't. That's what I'm honestly one of the people that hates wintertime. I definitely needed to pick up a winter sport. Like, I really want to start snowboarding, but I just don't have the equipment, and I really don't have the money right now to be buying that, but I really should. But I just hate winter. I'm honestly ready to go live on a beach, but I love Montana, so it's like hard to leave somewhere this beautiful. But anyways, yeah, I hate wintertime, and tanning is the thing that makes me still sane throughout the wintertime, because it makes me tan, makes me feel good, first of all, and second of all, when I'm like out in the freezing cold and I go into that tanning bed and it's like so warm, that 12 minutes is the best 12 minutes ever. Like, it's so bomb, and my mom's gonna watch this video and be like, oh, Libby, you need to stop that. You know what, Mom? I know. But it does get me through the winter. It makes me way happier to get that vitamin D in, right? I have slowed down this summer, though, because I do want to have nice skin when I'm older, and I don't want to get cancer, but, you know, people are like, well, why don't you just, like, why is this stripping makeup right there? They're like, why don't you just use fake tanners? I'm like, I do not like fake tanners, and I don't like spray tans, because if you're, like, dark and you're getting a spray tan, like, that's fine, but if you're going from light to as dark as I want to be, or there's, like, even a little bit more, you just get a little orange, and if you mess it up at all, which I know that I would because I'm a huge klutz, you have streaks all over your body, and who wants streaks all over their body? Not me. Anyways, so that's kind of like my view on it. I'm like, I think I'm gonna go with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar palette, which is my favorite palette. My sister got this for me, my older sister. I'm gonna go into Gumdrop because I love that shade so much. This is like not like the super bright, like it's bright, but I just like the way that this one looks. It's got like a pink tone to it, and before I didn't think I could use it because it had a pink tone to it, you know, and I was scared to use it, but now I use it like every day. I just always mix it with something, so it looks a lot more blinding in there, but it's really not that blinding. It's just like I'm gonna also go in with the Masked Chrome in Molten Rose Gold, which is broken, from Maybelline. This I use every day. And then I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Omrazy palette, or Omrazy highlighter, and put that in the smallest bit. I really want this one on my nose. Okay, so I kind of just mix it around, and then I go in with my beauty sponge. Nobody likes a gray highlight. Like, there's nothing worse than a gray highlight. So I always go over my highlighter and blush. So I just take my blush again and I go over it. It dilutes it a little bit, but it makes it blend with the blush a little bit more. It looks pretty good. To the NORVINA palette, I'm gonna take my pencil brush again. I'm gonna take Dreamer and spray it. And put this. Oh, that is stunning. Are you serious right now? I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line with Love first. Passion. I'm gonna do a lash mascara because you can't forget that. I'm gonna use this Ulta lipstick that I literally use all the time, and this is a nude and it's broken, but I'm gonna be very gentle. Literally just put it on there, dab it out, Lassie lip on, and I think I'm gonna use a little bit of both. I have this Ulta lip plumping one that may or may not have went through the washer, so I don't know if I should even be using this, but it seems like, ooh. Do you guys see like the purple vibe to it? Look, I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's cool, I guess. I like it. You guys enjoyed this, and if you did, give it a like, subscribe, comment, whatever you want to see, and yeah, I love you guys. Peace out. And I'll see you guys in the next one.